How to save video on CapCut PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and then go to your project. Click on Export located at top right corner of your screen. After you've finished editing, you'll find all the options, frame rate, resolution. After you're done, click on Export. After you've clicked on Export, simply click on Open folder located at bottom left corner of your screen. You can also select Ratio from here. If you click on Folder, you'll simply find your video in this folder. Simply open the folder. You can also drag the video to any folder you want. This is how to save video on CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and then go to your project. Click on Export located at top right corner of your screen. After you've finished editing, you'll find all the options, frame rate, resolution. After you're done, click on Export. After you've clicked on Export, simply click on Open folder located at bottom left corner of your screen. You can also select Ratio from here. If you click on Folder, you'll simply find your video in this folder. Simply open the folder. You can also drag the video to any folder you want. This is how to save video on CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a